Hi, this is my fine print. I did not realize Walmart closed so early, so I have to go back again to go print it. But this was taken at the base of the Tetons in Teton National Forest. And it was a really gorgeous day and in the morning too, so the lighting was already really nice. So that was great. I didn't have to do too much editing to bring out all the details. I did lighten the photo and add some warmth. And I did clarity and highlights and saturation and sharpening the focal point. So what I did is I just I focused on the barn, and then I shifted my camera to get on the rule of thirds lines, and then then I just edited it in Lightroom, and I really like the way it turned out. So that's all.